Zafarina binti Mat Sawal Fitri. My student ID is 2024 629 472. Bye.
Okay, my name is Narshamina Emira. My student ID is 2024292608.
My name is Nur Idina Sofia. My student ID is 2024691336.
My name is Nur Shamini binti Muhammad Nazri. My student ID is 2024260342.
What is compound interest?
What is annuity? Let's watch our video. Introduction of annuity. Annuity concepts enable people to plan for the future in terms of investment and savings. For example, financial consultant uses annuity calculation to advise people on investment. Second, a property uses annuity calculation to estimate the repayment of housing and car loans.
So, what is annuity? Annuity is a series of equal payments made at equal interval of time. Equal payments are deposited or paid periodically over time. Example, shop rentals, insurance policy, annual dividends, and installment payments.
For methodology, we have S for future value of annuity is for total savings and accumulated amount of unpaid payment. We have A, present value of annuity is the original load and initial amount in the savings. We have R, amount of the periodic or series payment. We have N, number of interest period or payments. We have I, interest rate per interest period. In this chapter, we're gonna use two formula, which is savings and loan.
Here are the problem statement of annuity. So for the first question is, Iran makes a loan of 95,000 to renovate her house. She is charged 5% compounded monthly. If she pays 700 every month to settle her loan, find the number of payments she must make. So for the A value is 95,000, R value is 700, K is 0.05, M is 12, and I is 0.05 divided to 12. So we will use loan equation. So we just put the value into the equation. So we will get bracket 1.00416667 per negative power of n equals negative 0.34528095. So here we need to use log, which is negative n equals log 10 0.4345288095 divide log 10 1.00146667. So negative n equals to negative 200.46. And the final answer is n equals to 200.46. So Iran needs to pay 200 full payment of RM 700 and one-time payment less than 700. So for the next problem statement of annuity is Amma borrowed RM 40,000 from a bank that charged 2.5 compounded monthly. The loan will be repaid by monthly installment for 3 years. Find the monthly payment. So for the A value is 40,000, K is 0.025, and M is 12, I is 1 divided to 440, T is 3, and N is 36. So as you guys can see, we use loan equation and we just need to put the value into the equation. So we will get R equals to 40,000 divided to 35.64838307. So for the R answer is RM 1,155 ringgit and 96 cents.
Question number 3. A super bike is purchased by using hire and purchase loan. The loan should be paid for 8 years with monthly installment of 2,800. The interest charge was 2.7% compounded monthly. So for the question number 1, which is calculate the length amount, we're gonna use loan formula. So we got R, which is 2,800. We got T for 8 years. We got K 0.027. We got M, which is 12, and we got I for 9 divide 4,000. We got N for 96. So for this question, we're gonna put all the information into the formula, and lastly, we got RM 241,508.31 cent. Question number 2. If the buyer fails to pay for the first 3 monthly installment, how much should the buyer pay on the 4th payment to settle all the outstanding areas? So for this question, we're gonna looking for the 4th payment. So we're gonna use S formula. So we're gonna put all the information that we got, and we're gonna use all of the information above. So lastly, the answer we got is RM 11,237.86 cents.
Interest is earned on both the principal and any interest that has been earned previously. Compound interest can be thought as interest on interest and will make the sum grow at a faster rate than simple interest, which is calculated only on the principal amount.
The methodology of compound interest. The formula is S equals P bracket 1 plus I bracket power of n. Next, I equal S minus P. P is principal, S is future value or maturity value, capital I is for interest amount, while I is interest rate per interest period. The formula is I equals K per M. Next, N is number of interest period and the formula is N equal MT. K is annual nominal rate. M is frequency of conversion. That means the number of time interest is calculated in the year, which is annually M equals 1, semi-annually M equals 2, quarterly M equals 4, and monthly M equals 12. Question 1. Bella deposited 3,000 in an account at 8% compounded monthly every 6 months. After 3 years, the amount in her account becomes 5619. Find the value of T. P is principal. So in this question, the principal is 3,000. So the K is rate. So rate 8%. So M 2. Why 2? Because the question says monthly every 6 months. Every 6 months means semi-annually. So annually have 2. And last S is 5619. Okay, step 2. We need to write the formula. Formula is important. Yeah. S equal P bracket 1 plus I bracket power of n. So 5619 equals 3000 bracket 1 plus 1 per 25 bracket 2 T. Okay, next we need to bring 3000 to the left. So this 5619 per 3000 equals bracket 1 plus 1 per 25 bracket T 2T. Okay, we got the answer. We calculate this 1.873 equals bracket 26 per 25 bracket 2T. Okay, 2T we need to bring in front. So 1.873 equals 2T bracket 26 per 25. Close the bracket. Okay, in this we need to use log. So log 10, 1.873 per log 10 bracket 26 per 25 bracket equals 2T. So when we calculate, we got the answer T equals 16.00. So we per yang 2. So the answer we got T equals 2 years.
So the final answer is 8 years.
Next, problem statement 2. Khairil invests 14,000 in Dynamic Bank K% compounded every 3 months for 15 years. If the balance in his account after 15 years is 142,365.05 and K%. Okay, so we got E 40,000 M for S or 236.545. Okay, next we need to write the formula. S equal P bracket 1 plus I bracket power of n. So 14236.545 equals 40,000 bracket 1 plus K per 4 bracket 6T. So we got 14236.554. So 14236.545 per 40,000 equals bracket 1 plus K per 4 bracket equals 60. So 60 root 142356545 per 14,000 equals 1 plus K per 4. So bracket 60 root 142356545 per 40,000 bracket minus 1 K. This one. So we need to solve this, and 60 we need to solve this 60 root bracket 14236.545 per 40,000 bracket minus 1 multiply 4. Wait mula lang. So we got the answer 60 root bracket 14236.545 per 40,000 close bracket minus 1 times 4 equals K. So we got, when we calculate, we got the answer K equals 8.55%.
Knowledgeable Bank offers two interest rate for fixed deposit as follows. Package A, compound every 2 months. Package B, compound monthly. 1. If Hilal intend to invest RM20,000 for 3 years, calculate the compound amount and interest that will be earned for both offers. Package A, P is 20,000, M is 6, T is 3, K is 0.085, I is 0.0855, N is 18. We must to use formula S equal P bracket 1 plus I bracket power N. So S equal 2000 bracket 1 plus 0.0855 per seat bracket power 18. So we got the answer 25801.22. So we must to find I. The formula to find I is S minus P. So I equal 25801.22 minus 20,000. So we got the answer is I is RM 5801.22. So package B, P is 20,000, K is 0.062, M is 12, T is 3, I is 0.062, N is 32. So we must use formula S equal P bracket 1 plus I bracket power N. So S equal 20,000 bracket 1 plus 0.062 per 20 bracket power 32. So we got the answer is 24076.91. So we must to find I. So the formula to find I is S minus P. I equal 24076.91 minus 20,000. So we got 4076.91. As a financial consultant for Hilal, which offer would you recommend for him? Justify your answer. So the answer is package A is recommended because it gives a higher total compound amount and higher interest rate compared to package B.